The P0351 code indicates a malfunction in the primary or secondary circuit of ignition coil A. What does this mean? In simple terms, there is an electrical problem with the ignition coil that supplies spark to cylinder number 1, or a group of cylinders if it's one coil for multiple cylinders. The A usually refers to the cylinder 1 coil, or the first coil in a multi-cylinder ignition system. Without proper spark, the cylinder can't combust fuel, causing misfires. The symptoms are obvious. The check engine light will almost always be flashing, indicating an active misfire. You'll notice strong engine vibration, severe loss of power, rough idling, and the engine may sound like it's limping. If the P0351 appears, the most common cause is a faulty ignition coil in the affected cylinder, usually cylinder 1. You can try swapping it with another coil to see if the code clears. Check the coil wiring and connector for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. A faulty spark plug in the cylinder can also cause the coil to fail. In some cases, a problem with the engine computer or ECM could be the cause, but this is less common. A persistent misfire can cause serious damage to the catalytic converter due to unburned fuel reaching it, which is a very expensive repair. Additionally, the engine will run inefficiently, increase fuel consumption, and may suffer premature wear.